Hello everyone! For today's video, I will be teaching you how you can clear or delete your YouTube search history. First step, open YouTube on your phone and make sure that you are logged in. Now, press the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen and press Your Data in YouTube. Once you've pressed this, it will lead you to this site where you have to wait for a few seconds for it to completely load. As you scroll down, you'll see different options about your YouTube account. Now, just scroll down until you see the option regarding your YouTube search history. First, you have the option to turn off your YouTube search history so you don't have to constantly delete all of your search histories. You can also turn on the auto-delete activity, which means that all of your search histories will be deleted after a certain month. Second, as you scroll down, you'll see all of your recent histories. Just press Manage Search History, and here you can manually delete all of your searches for each day. However, for an easier and more efficient way of deleting your search histories, you can click the Delete Drop button and choose from what dates you want to delete your search histories. You can also choose or click Delete All Time, which will clear all of your search history. And that's all for this tutorial. If this video helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.